Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an overhaul on the oil in this Z. I bought this car recently. It has 102,000 miles on it, and I don't know really how much the person before me took care of it, so therefore I'm going to run an engine and transmission flush through the engine, not the transmission. I mean, maybe if I take the fluid out and it looks good. If it looks bad, then I'm not going to flush it, but with the engine I'm going to flush it, just that way I can be sure that it's good inside there. Now, if this will mess it up, then I guess I need to know about it now rather than later anyway. So that's my mentality behind this. But I'm gonna run this in here. It says to pour it in the oil and run it for 10 to 15 minutes and then immediately drain oil, replace oil filter and refill with new oil. And I have 0 weight 30 Amsoil I'm gonna be putting back into this. So let me pop the hood, we'll pour it in here and we'll get it idling, and after that we'll drain it. I have to also change the oil pressure sending unit, and then we'll fill it up with Amsoil. All right everyone, I got the oil fill cap open. I'm gonna hurry, mix this up, pour it in and get it idling. Pour right, okay, here we go. Not really having a steady hand. It's windy right now. Out here in Oklahoma. Let me just pour this fucking bottle in here. Got her idling. Gonna have her idle for 15 minutes, then I will pull her up on some ramps and I'll drain her. Yeah, I got some belt problems for sure. And also, it was wrecked, but I have all the parts and I'm about to pull it straight and get everything right. But I want to get the oil fixed right away because I know that's the most crucial part to the engine. Got the oil draining. I let it idle for 15 minutes and then I pulled it up on these ramps and now it is draining. I have to replace the oil sending unit and also the oil filter, of course. But I'm gonna let it drain, get the filter off, clean everything off, and then change the oil sending unit. That way my gauge will work. All right, party peoples, big oil mess. I dropped the filter. I'll be the first to admit I messed up, but let's just look at this. I got the filter off, I wiped everything off, and let me see if I can get a shot of this. I cleaned the plug. There's a plug right there for the oil pressure sending unit. But yeah, right up there is where the oil pressure sending unit goes. I wiped that off to get a good seal, and the old one is right there. I have a new one inside I'm going to be installing for, I think I got it for like 20 bucks on eBay. I'm not going to record putting it on because all you do is screw it in and then tighten it with a crescent wrench, and then I'll put the filter on, lube the gasket up with some old oil, put the filter on, put the sending unit in, tighten it up, plug it in, put the oil plug back in, and then we'll fill it up with some Amsoil and we'll call it good and see if it fixed my oil pressure problem. Real quick guys, I just wanted to give a quick clip of the oil pressure sending unit I bought. I got this on eBay for like $26. AutoZone wanted like 86 for a lifetime warranty. So if this ever goes bad again, I'll probably buy the lifetime warranty one. That way I don't have to, keep going and rebuying one. But it came in that box down there. I'm gonna screw it in, see how it goes. I have the Wix XP for the 350Z in case y'all need the number. Out here with the filter, that is the old, maybe the factory oil pressure sending unit. I'm not sure if it's ever been changed or not, but since everything's back together, the 350Z holds 0 weight 30. So I got 5 quarts, what it calls for. The Wix XP filter is screwed on there. The sending unit's back, the new one's screwed in there, and it is tightened with the harness plugged back in. I got these cool things sent in my package. They just send you stuff if you sign up to be a preferred member. But it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna use these now. So yeah, we can take a look-see down here. That way y'all can see. I got the Wix filter, and I got the new sending unit, and then the filter. New sending unit, filter, plug is in. I made a mess everywhere. Just so everybody knows I'm not lying. I've already poured filled the gallon in here, so now it just holds 1 more quart. So I hope to God that I have enough, because I only ordered a gallon and a quart. So the 350Z calls for 5 quarts. So after this will be full. Time to see if the new oil pressure sending unit actually fixed the oil pressure gauge problem I was having. So it used to go up to 120. Oh! Oh! Got a hard start. Now we're in business. Oh yeah! Fixed it. Sorry for my enthusiasm, but before it would go to 120 as soon as I turned the key on. Now it is fixed, and I have good oil pressure. Let me just make sure it's not leaking. Let's see here. Is it leaking? It ain't leaking. Woo! Let me close my hood. It's alright, it's wrecked. E-brake off. Here we go. Let's see how the oil pressure gauge works now. Take it for a quick spin. As you can see, I have a 6-speed automatic shifter, glow in the dark red. So let's watch the oil pressure. Sitting at about 60, driving. I'm almost to temperature. I've had it idling with the Amsoil engine flush, so it was at temperature, and it's about 90 degrees outside. It's really hot outside, so there we go. Now I came up to a stop, drops down to about 30. Goes up to 60. Oh yeah, I got it for 26 bucks on eBay. I can probably I'll put a link in the description to the oil pressure sending unit. Man, I love this car. Now I got a Wix XP filter, Amsoil 0 weight 30. And I got my oil pressure gauge working. Woo! All right guys, that's it for today's video. Now we got some 0 weight 30 Amsoil. Got everything rocking and rolling. Been working on the Z a lot lately, trying to get the AC fixed and fix the wrecked bumper and everything. So I will be making a video when I go to pull the bumper out and pull the frame out if it's need be. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all later.